Hello children, good morning to you all. You have holidays. Along with holidays, little time you spare for your studies also. I am going to start with your social studies class today. I told you in the class also, please watch the video and I am going to send notes also. Today one day I am taking video class where I give difficult words of two lessons in English. Snake trouble already I posted, but once again I make you read. Then you are going to write them two times, three times each. Same way, social studies also. So first I am going to start with your social studies class. So, I would like to ask you a few questions while teaching also. What I am doing now? Teaching. Am I in the class? No, I am not in the class. I am giving you online classes. How? How do you learn then? Using your mobile. So, this is the means of communication between you and me. It helps us to have a contact between each other. Understand? So in this way, right from olden days till now, so many means of communication have developed, so that we can get the messages from our relatives, close friends, everybody. And now this is smartphone world, where we need not wait for a second also. If you want to meet somebody, you can make a video call, look at them, you can speak directly with them. Such a development has taken. Before it was not there. What happened? People in the beginning, people used to send messages in a very difficult way. They used to send a messenger. Messenger means a person who used to carry messages. It used to take 1 month's time, 15 days time to reach the person to whom you want to send a message. But now within second you can do it. Then post offices were developed. Post offices, through post offices sent a message through letters. It took 3 days, 1 week's time. Then we had telegram process, where within a day we could send the message. Then came landline phones, where we can just talk to our friends. In those days, only rich people used to have the phones, not everybody. Now, each and everybody, we have phones with us. And now, even you small kids also are also having phones to attend your classes. So, in this way, these all are the means of communication we use for having contact with each other. These are the means of communication we have for having contact with each other. This lesson I am going to start, and what I do today onwards, I am giving you the notes. I am giving you the notes, and you are writing. Today few words I give, you are writing two times each. Tomorrow few more words I give, I make you read with the help of blackboard, everything. And I am reading to you, you are learning with me. After that, lesson explanation I will do in the school after reopening of the school. I will do it in the school. But till then, we are going to hold online classes. Today, one day, I am going to Today or most probably tomorrow for social studies I will send a video. Otherwise what I will do every day till 12th I am going to send you the video typed messages. Notes, you are going to write it in your notebooks. So our new lesson is our communication system. Our communication system. This is our lesson. In this we are going to learn new terms. We are going to learn new terms. First one, communication. 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 Second one is magazines. Communicate. COMMUNICATE. Here is the difference. Third, magazines. 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 Fourth one, restricted. 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 Fifth one, individual. 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 Sixth one, possible. 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 Seventh one, available. Awareness. Personal. Impersonal. Refuse. Globally. Public. Rural. Address. ADDRES. Address. Legible. 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 Necessary. 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 Aerograms. AEROGRAMS. AEROGREMMES aerograms. 90 ordinary. Twentieth courier. COURIER courier. Envelopes. ENVELOPES envelopes. Parcels. So these are the words for today. Tomorrow some more I am going to do. COMMUNICATION communication. COMMUNICATION communication. COMMUNICATION communication. COMMUNICATE. Here is the change. Communicate. COMMUNICATE communicate. MAGAZINES magazines. MAGAZINES magazines. MAGAZINES magazines. RESTRICTED restricted. RESTRICTED restricted. INDIVIDUAL individual. INDIVIDUAL individual. INDIVIDUAL individual. INDIVIDUAL individual. POSSIBLE possible. POSSIBLE possible. POSSIBLE possible. AVAILABLE available. AVAILABLE available. AVAILABLE available. AWARENESS awareness. AWARENESS awareness. AWARENESS awareness. PERSONAL personal. PERSONAL personal. PERSONAL personal. IMPERSONAL impersonal. IMPERSONAL impersonal. IMPERSONAL impersonal. RECEIVES receives. RECEIVES receives. RECEIVES receives. GLOBALLY globally. GLOBALLY globally. GLOBALLY globally. PUBLIC public. PUBLIC public. PUBLIC public. RURAL rural. RURAL rural. RURAL rural. ADDRESS address. ADDRESS address. ADDRESS address. LEGIBLE legible. LEGIBLE legible. LEGIBLE legible. LEGIBLE legible. NECESSARY necessary. NECESSARY necessary. NECESSARY necessary. AEROGRAMMES aerograms. AEROGRAMMES aerograms. AEROGRAMMES aerograms. ORDINARY ordinary. ORDINARY ordinary. ORDINARY ordinary. courier, 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 envelopes, envelope, envelopes, 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 parcels, 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 parcels. These are the new terms. You are writing 2 times each today in your notebook. Here we stop. Thank you.